what's going on, guys? Today I'm making this video, and I hate to bitch about stuff, but it is my own damn fault, and today it stops because I will not buy another part from a local parts store. I don't give a fuck if it's a fuel filter. I don't give a fuck if it's a nut and bolt. Will not go to the local parts store. Let me show you. Fucking great, right? Great. Been messing with this for days now. Going through sensors. Looking for shit. And I know it's some simple electrical. But after pulling my hair out for days and going over stuff and everything, let me show you. Nice, right? Brand new. Probably 2 months old, if that. Do you see something missing in there? You see the 4 prongs? Where's the 5th prong at? Where's the 5th one? I see 4. So there you go. It is definitely an electrical issue, which I knew was some simple, but, it just takes forever to diagnose. But this is why I will not buy a fucking nut and bolt. That's my issue. Have no clue why they're so corroded already. You could see that. Actually, there's my other prong in there. It's stuck in the actual harness. There it is. Because it plugs in that way, so it would be that one. Yep. The actual prong broke off in the harness. So yeah, so fun. For being a dumbass, I'm going to have to pull off both valve covers and order some Motorcraft gaskets. So yeah, lesson learned, noted, and will not happen again. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.